Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, if in a rectangle the ratio of the length is to breadth is equal to that of the ratio of the sum of the length and breadth to the length, where L and B be the length and breadth of the rectangle, then find which of the following is true. Now, since L by B is equal to L plus B by L, we get L squared is equal to B into L plus B, or L squared is equal to LB plus B squared, or L squared minus B squared is equal to L into B, or L plus B into L minus B is equal to LB, and L plus B by L is equal to B by L minus B. Therefore, we get statements 2 and 3 to be true from these equations, and L squared by B squared is equal to BL plus B squared by B squared, that is equal to L squared by B squared is equal to 1 plus L by B, or L by B is equal to L squared by B squared minus 1. So statement 1 is incorrect. So option C, that is statement 2 and 3 are true, is the correct answer.